1. Mouthstick. A mouthstick is an assistive device designed for individuals with limited or no use of their hands or arms. It consists of a stick, usually made of lightweight materials such as plastic or metal, with a small rubber or plastic tip at one end that can be manipulated using the mouth. Mouthsticks are typically used to help individuals perform tasks such as writing, drawing, typing, and using electronic devices such as smartphones and tablets. The mouthstick is held in the mouth and used to manipulate objects or press buttons on a keyboard or touch screen. Mouthsticks can be customized to fit an individual's specific needs and preferences, such as length and shape. They can be used by individuals with a variety of conditions that affect their mobility, such as spinal cord injuries, muscular dystrophy, and cerebral palsy. Mouthsticks can provide individuals with greater independence and autonomy in their daily lives, allowing them to perform tasks that might otherwise be difficult or impossible. 2. Head pointer. A head pointer is an assistive device that is designed to help individuals with limited or no use of their hands or arms to interact with their environment. It consists of a headband or a cap with a pointer attached to it that can be controlled using head movements. The head pointer is typically worn on the head, and the pointer is positioned in front of the individual's face. The individual can move their head in different directions to control the pointer, which can be used to interact with various objects, such as a keyboard, a mouse, or other electronic devices. Head pointers are especially helpful for individuals with spinal cord injuries, muscular dystrophy, cerebral palsy, or other conditions that limit their mobility. They provide these individuals with greater independence and autonomy in their daily lives, allowing them to perform tasks that might otherwise be difficult or impossible. Like other assistive devices, head pointers can be customized to fit an individual's specific needs and preferences, such as the length of the pointer and the sensitivity of the controls. With proper training and practice, individuals can become proficient at using a head pointer to interact with their environment and perform a wide range of tasks. 3. Voice-activated software. Voice-activated software, also known as voice recognition software or speech recognition software, is a technology that allows users to interact with computers and other electronic devices using spoken commands. The software analyzes the user's voice and converts it into text, which can be used to perform various tasks, such as dictating text, controlling the device's functions, and navigating software applications. Voice-activated software is commonly used in personal digital assistants, PDAs, smartphones, and virtual assistants such as Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple Siri. It can also be used in specialized applications such as medical transcription, language translation, and customer service. One of the main advantages of voice-activated software is that it can provide greater accessibility for individuals with disabilities, such as those with limited mobility or vision impairments. It can also increase productivity and efficiency for users who need to input large amounts of text or perform repetitive tasks. However, voice-activated software may not be as accurate as typing or other input methods, and users may need to train the software to recognize their voice and accent. Additionally, background noise, accents, and speech impediments can affect the software's accuracy. Nonetheless, advances in natural language processing and machine learning have improved the accuracy and usability of voice-activated software in recent years. For eye gaze system. An eye gaze system, also known as an eye tracking system, is an assistive technology that allows individuals to control a computer or other electronic device using their eye movements. The system uses a camera or sensor to track the movement of the user's eyes and translate that movement into commands or inputs for the device. Eye gaze systems can be helpful for individuals with disabilities such as ALS, cerebral palsy, or spinal cord injuries, who may have limited or no use of their hands or arms. The system can allow these individuals to control a computer, communicate with others, and perform other tasks using only their eyes. There are two types of eye gaze systems, invasive and non-invasive. Invasive systems involve placing electrodes on the user's eyes or inside their eyes to track their movements. Non-invasive systems use cameras or sensors placed near the user's eyes to track their movements. Eye gaze systems can be customized to fit an individual's specific needs and preferences, such as the sensitivity of the system and the type of commands or inputs used. With proper training and practice, individuals can become proficient at using an eye gaze system to interact with their environment and perform a wide range of tasks. 5. Environmental Control Unit, ECU. An environmental control unit, ECU, is an assistive technology device that allows individuals with disabilities to control various electronic devices and appliances in their environment. It is designed to provide greater independence and autonomy to individuals with physical limitations or disabilities. The ECU works by connecting to various devices and appliances in the individual's environment, such as lights, televisions, thermostats, and door openers. The individual can then use the ECU to control these devices using a single control unit, which can be customized to fit the individual's specific needs and preferences. ECUs can be controlled using various input methods, such as voice commands, switches, or other assistive technologies such as a joystick or a touchscreen. They can also be programmed to perform certain actions automatically, such as turning off lights at a certain time or adjusting the thermostat based on the temperature. ECUs are especially useful for individuals with limited mobility or disabilities that affect their ability to perform everyday tasks. They can help these individuals to control their environment independently, without relying on the assistance of others. ECUs are available in a range of sizes and configurations, from small portable units to larger wall-mounted systems. They can be installed in homes, hospitals, and other settings to provide greater independence and accessibility for individuals with disabilities. 6. Electric wheelchair. An electric wheelchair, also known as a power wheelchair, is a mobility device that is designed to assist individuals with limited mobility or disabilities to move around independently. Unlike manual wheelchairs, electric wheelchairs are powered by batteries and are controlled using a joystick or other control device. Electric wheelchairs are equipped with motors and gears that allow them to move forward, backward, and turn in place. They can also be customized with various features, such as adjustable seat height, tilt, and recline, to provide greater comfort and support for the user. Electric wheelchairs are typically used by individuals with physical disabilities that affect their ability to walk or use a manual wheelchair. They can provide greater mobility and independence, allowing individuals to navigate their environment more easily and participate in daily activities. Electric wheelchairs can also be customized with various assistive technologies, such as a headrest, footrest, or joystick extension, to accommodate the specific needs and preferences of the user. They can also be fitted with additional accessories, such as oxygen holders, cup holders, and storage compartments, to enhance the user's comfort and convenience. Overall, electric wheelchairs are an important assistive technology that can help individuals with disabilities to lead more independent and active lives. They can improve the quality of life for individuals with limited mobility, allowing them to participate in their communities and engage in a range of activities. 7. Sip and Puff System. A sip and puff system is an assistive technology that allows individuals with limited mobility or disabilities to control a computer or other electronic device using their breath. The system uses a tube or straw that the user can sip or puff on to generate different signals or commands. Sipping on the tube generates one signal or command, while puffing on the tube generates another. By varying the length and intensity of the sips and puffs, the user can generate different commands or inputs for the device. Sip and puff systems can be used to control a wide range of devices, such as computers, smartphones, and wheelchairs. They can also be used for environmental control, such as adjusting the temperature or turning on lights. Sip and puff systems are especially useful for individuals with spinal cord injuries or other disabilities that affect their ability to use their hands or arms. They can provide greater independence and autonomy, allowing these individuals to control their environment and perform everyday tasks more easily. Sip and puff systems can be customized to fit the individual's specific needs and preferences, such as the sensitivity of the system and the type of commands or inputs used. With proper training and practice, individuals can become proficient at using a sip and puff system to interact with their environment and perform a wide range of tasks. 8. Adaptive utensils. Adaptive utensils are specially designed eating utensils that are created to make it easier for individuals with disabilities or limited mobility to eat independently. These utensils can help individuals with conditions such as arthritis, Parkinson's disease, cerebral palsy, or spinal cord injuries, who may have difficulty grasping and holding traditional utensils. Adaptive utensils come in various shapes and sizes, with features that help compensate for the user's specific needs. Some common adaptations include larger handles with non-slip surfaces, curved or angled designs for better ergonomics, and utensils that are bendable or have adjustable angles for easier use. There are various types of adaptive utensils available, including spoons, forks, knives, and specialized utensils such as rocker knives, which are designed to cut food with a rocking motion, and weighted utensils, which help stabilize tremors and improve control. There are also utensils with specialized features, such as built-in straws or utensils that can be attached to the user's hand or wrist. Adaptive utensils can help individuals with disabilities to maintain independence and dignity while eating. They can also reduce frustration and make meal times more comfortable and enjoyable. The right adaptive utensils can make a significant difference in an individual's quality of life and can help them to live more independently. 9. Hand splints. Hand splints are assistive devices designed to support, immobilize, or mobilize the hand, wrist, or fingers. They are commonly used to aid in the recovery process of hand injuries or surgeries, to prevent further damage, and to improve hand function. Hand splints can be custom-made or prefabricated and come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and materials, including plastic, metal, or fabric. They can be used for various conditions, including arthritis, carpal tunnel syndrome, stroke, and nerve damage. There are different types of hand splints, including resting hand splints, which immobilize the hand and wrist in a neutral position to prevent deformities and relieve pain. Functional hand splints are designed to support hand movements and assist with specific tasks, such as grasping or holding objects. Dynamic hand splints are used to help improve range of motion and muscle strength. Hand splints can also be used to prevent contractures, which are tightening of the muscles or tendons that can lead to a permanent loss of movement or deformities. By holding the hand and fingers in a specific position, hand splints can help stretch the muscles and prevent contractures from forming. Hand splints are often prescribed by doctors, occupational therapists, or physiotherapists as part of a treatment plan. They can be adjusted or modified to fit the individual's specific needs and preferences and can be used in combination with other assistive technologies or therapies to improve hand function and quality of life. 10. Transfer aids. Transfer aids are assistive devices that help individuals with mobility impairments move from one position or surface to another. They are designed to provide stability, support, and safety during transfers, reducing the risk of falls or injuries. There are various types of transfer aids available, depending on the individual's needs and abilities. Some common transfer aids include 1. Transfer boards. These are flat boards used to slide the individual from one surface to another, such as from a bed to a wheelchair or from a wheelchair to a car. 2. Transfer belts. These are waist belts used to assist individuals with standing and walking, providing support and stability during transfers. 3. Transfer poles. These are freestanding poles placed in the bedroom or bathroom, providing support and stability for individuals during transfers. 4. Slings and hoists. These are devices used to lift and transfer individuals with limited mobility, such as those who are bedridden or unable to stand. 5. Transfer steps and stairs. These are platforms or stairs used to assist individuals with mobility impairments to climb steps or stairs. Transfer aids can make a significant difference in the quality of life for individuals with mobility impairments, providing them with greater independence and allowing them to perform everyday activities more easily. They can also reduce the risk of falls and injuries, improving safety and overall well-being. The selection of the appropriate transfer aid depends on the individual's specific needs, abilities, and environment.